to build the motorcycle.
Wow, what is that?
The motorcycle.
A motorcycle. Are you going to build a motorcycle?
Not a real one, a fake one.
Oh, can I have a look?
Okay, what do you want? Oh, 64 feet.
Okay, can I have a look?
Let's check.
Oh, this says a motorcycle kit.
It's a little baby one. You can check what inside
Okay,
there.
let's have a look. And it's 6th place. How old are you?
Dick,
You're 6, so you're allowed to do
I
that.
can actually see you this. Get it?
How do you say 6? Okay, so here we go. Oh,
Yeah.
this says a motorcycle kit. And it's got
I did how
64
I can do
P's on it.
stick. Look, I can do stick.
Alright, so these are the things that should be in there. Let's have a look. So this is how it should be. That's the model. And these are the things that I'm looking in there. So it should be 64 pieces. And Sreesaai is going to be an engineer today to build a motorcycle.
Okay, but
Yep.
I'm going to unjam it.
Wow, look at that.
These are the pictures.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
A to F. Just A and F. 6 stages.
6 stages.
Just this.
Okay, so let's have a look. This. Okay.
Keeping them in the container so they don't roll away.
Oh, okay.
So open this packet.
So what is this called? Do you know what is this called?
It's a screwdriver.
It's a screwdriver.
You got
Screwdriver.
food.
Oh, okay, so just put them here.
Yeah. Yeah.
And what we should have? We got.
We got a wrench.
Okay.
It's new for both.
We got this one.
It's used for these. Like when the couldn't play, you use these and.
So what is that called?
And this is a bolt.
Okay, what is that called? The one you're holding? That's a wrench. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It uses to turn the bolt so the crew down the arcade. Because it is supporting. So we're going to open this and go. We're going to keep this aside over now. Organize everything and they organize this and this. Everything I organize.
Oh, so let's see. Sreesaai just organized based on this one. And we should have all these. And Sreesaai, do you think you got all of these?
Yeah.
Oh, and did you check it that you got all of these?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Let's see what has Sreesaai got.
Let's check the first one.
Let's check the first one. So, 2 tires. Have you got 2 tires there?
Yeah, in there.
Well done. Have you got 2 of the red ones?
Two, yeah, they're little.
Oh, it's in the cup. Okay. And 1 of the red ones, which is number 3. Okay. And 2 of the 2-hole ones.
They're over there.
Oh, it's over there. And 2 of the 3-hole ones. Okay.
Oh, oopsie. It's just a
Oh, we don't want to mix them up, do
No,
you?
we don't.
And we need 1 of the 4-hole one.
Yeah, they're there.
Okay. You need 4 of the 5-hole ones.
They're over
Oh,
here.
that's over there. Okay. And we need 3 of the side latches with the side one.
They're
The hinges,
over
yeah.
here.
Yeah, well done. And we need 2 of these ones.
What?
Oh, that's the one, yeah.
Yeah.
And we need 1 of this one.
This one?
Yes, that's the
It's
one.
a bendy, look.
It's a bendy one.
Exactly, you can actually do this.
Oh, it's just jumping. You don't want to mix them. You don't want to mix them.
Jump. Quick.
Ooh, okay.
It can go out.
Okay, and you need 3 of these ones. What are these?
The,
These ones here?
wait, there can't be just 3.
23.
Oh, 23.
Yeah, you got a separate
three.
box. Okay, and have you got the 13 of the small ones?
Yeah,
Yeah.
You got everything here and here and...
Oh, whatever it says in here, we got it. Okay.
So now you need to build it. So first you need... Okay, good. Not easy, so we get 1 of these and then a 4. Put them here. Okay, put the
Okay.
put the over that one. You screwdriver that thing, but you actually don't need to because they do something ugly.
Well done.
That's a screwdriver.
Okay. So you want to put this on top just in case so it doesn't...
Just in case it do.
Yeah, so the wind doesn't blow it.
You get the cable and we can have the wheel tired
Okay, the tires in
to
there.
block.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Hello guys, so look, I finished it.
Oh yeah, you finished the first part. Okay. Do you want to show it to the viewers what it is look like for now?
I think you just need to add the wheel, and then and then you go on my motorcycle.
Wow.
And wait, again, and again.
Okay, let's just so A is done.
Get the third part.
Yeah. So we just have to do the part B. Okay, we should have the part B. Let's do part B now. So let's just.
Oh my God! This unstable already.
Yeah, we just need to tighten this up.
We need to tighten it. We need a wrench.
Yes.
When we need to tighten it too much. We need a wrench. This is the white, right? Yeah, because everyone white. Because the white. Get it? White. But we have 3 bolts. Where a bolt? We need bolt. 1 bolt. I don't know why they need 3 bolts. Oh yeah, the 3 screws. That's why they
So we got 3 screws. So we got 3 bolts.
Yeah, because how many screws they are, how many bolts they are. Is it white? White? Get a white.
That's right.
Whitey tighty, wetty woody. It means.
Righty tighty.
It means white means tight, wet means roots.
Oh, okay. So if you turn the screw towards the right, it means right.
It'll turn.
Tight.
Turn tight.
And it's left loose.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
Whitey
really good.
tighty, wetty woody.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is not enough. Just 1 more hope in. Yeah. Then you can see it. Okay, I done it.
Well done. Okay.
Then the next one.
Maybe it's the next one we need to add. So you can just keep them aside. The first part that we built.
But Appa. But that one include it and that one.
Maybe that's the next part. So we'll do this separately.
Maybe don't make that.
Yeah. So part C we're gonna do separately, and we're gonna include that part later. So you can keep them aside. That part.
You can just keep this here.
Yeah.
And now we need to see which one the one.
Okay.
Ooh, wait, this one must be the one. See?
Oh, okay.
Oh, wait. That is here. Wait. Oh man, that's yours here.
Okay.
Well, okay. So far we completed this.
Wow, that's good.
And I'm nearly done though. I copied the instructions. How will you now? I'm gonna pick the tire on my motorbike. So
just fix the headlight now. So what are you gonna fix now?
the tires.
The wheels and the tires. Okay. How are we gonna fix them?
And I'm gonna. So now, guys, we're going to put a bolt on here.
So what? Oh, you fixed the rear wheel. Now we're gonna fix the front wheel. Okay. Okay.
Whitey tighty. Now this is whitey tighty done.
Okay.
Now I need another whitey tighty. So hello guys. Now we've been with the motorcycle, but we're actually finished with the whole motorcycle. We just need to do this one single touch. We're done with the top. Over here, it's the top.
Wow, that looks cool.
We can take it off when the motorcycle needs to ride, but when it's done, it won't start though.
Okay, let's have a look at the motorcycle now.
Where to put them?
Wow, that looks awesome. Yay! So that's the wheels. Hey, look at this, guys.
There's a metal.
This is what Sreesaai made. Yeah, that
and the
looks
metal
awesome.
behind.
Wow,
It's
look
on
at
that
this.
tip over there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you
It's
see?
ready to
That's the
drive.
front.
See you in my next video. Hit the subscribe bell, turn on notification, and hit the thumbs up. Bye. Mr. Motorcycle said right. Vroom, vroom. I don't think these instructions. What are the instructions?
This is the instructions. This should be the one.
No, that's the wrong one.
Okay.
I found it.
Oh, have you? Oh, wow, that's good.
It's finished. So now.
You finished the first part. Second
Now
one.
I'm gonna do the second.
Yeah, let's do that here.
Take the paw, take the da, take the da, take the da, take the da. Oh yeah. Whitey tighty, lefty rooty.